Acer has been rapidly expanding its retail presence across India, and in line with this strategy, Acer India has inaugurated today its 250th exclusive retail store at Asia's largest IT market, Nehru Place, New Delhi. The grand opening ceremony was graced with the presence of Acer India's top leadership team, which includes Harish Kohli, President and Managing Director, Sanjeev Mehtani, Chief Sales Officer, and Amit Kumar Singh, Associate Director, Retail Business and Program Management. This new showroom will focus on gamers as well, and the store will feature Acer's latest range of high-performance laptops, desktops, monitors, and accessories that will offer an immersive experience for gamers in India. DT was part of this grand launch event and engaged with the leadership to gain insights into the significant milestone which Acer has achieved today. Check out what they have to say on this milestone.
So first of all, congratulations on achieving this huge milestone. So what's the first reaction on this?
My first reaction is this is just the starting for the year, and we have been able to reach 250. 1 year back, I had actually set a target of 300. We'll overdo. We'll go towards 350. Not only that, one of the things which I had said is that we will be part of our format. So we have already launched Acer Plaza stores. You will see more number of Acer Plaza stores at locations which are also suitable for CE, consumer electronics. So we are working in that direction, and you will see very soon that thing will roll out.
So what is your message to your channel partners who are already working with you and want to associate with Acer too?
The message to the channel partner is only a request. Let me put it this way, that right now we are on an expansion mode. We have, with their help, we have been able to actually get in consumer notebook number 2 slot. To retain itself, we'll have to work very hard and we'll require their support. But to move forward, I think more and more channel partners, we are open to the idea of acquiring more number of channel partners. I request them to join the stream, Acer stream, so that we are able to work together and make it better.
Okay. So, sir, which markets you are targeting to open the stores in coming months?
See, wherever right now our focus will be, wherever we are not present, the cities where we are not present still. First target is that only to open, because that is the market which we are missing on. And the second focus will be, new areas in terms of where we can, as I said, the format which we are actually now going to roll out is Acer Plaza Store. So the places where CE electronics, the consumer electronics can also be sold, those are the areas which we will target, which are actually different than IT areas, right? So the whole idea is that we should be also present where the consumer electronics business happens.
So, sir, do you have any plans to empower your channel partners with any scheme or incentive programs?
That is a continuous effort. If you look at, there is no time where we are not empowering them. Some scheme or the other is going on. However, empowerment, when you say, it comes from taking the empowerment and using it to the fullest. So my request to my channel partner will be that whatever, in case they have any feedback where we can roll out more to empower them more, for sure we are more than ready, more than willing. However, there is no time where schemes empowering them, policies empowering them are not in place. We have actually put everything in place today. Very simple processes which we have put in place. For last 2.5, 3 years, we are simplifying the way they want it. It is easy. So the whole idea is that it should be very easy to do business with Acer. And we have seen the satisfaction level is very, very high.
Okay.
That is why you see the expansion.
So, sir, what is the channel roadmap to further strengthen your offline business in year 2025?
As I said, opening something like exclusive store itself will be 300. I think 20 to 25 Acer Plaza stores is something which we are targeting. And beyond that, we have multi-brand counters. I think expansion-wise, we will be expanding something like 30 to 40% there on multi-brand counters, which are catered very differently. Some people are catered by regional MRs. Some are catered by direct by the district. So I'm including everything. So that subset, that which we in our language we call GT, general trade, we will be expecting something like 30 to 40% minimum.
So thank you so much, sir,
Thank
for
you so
talking
much.
to us.
Thank you so much for your time.